Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain about the area under the normal curve, which is unity. Okay, right. How we have to prove the area under the normal curve is 1. I am going to do that one. Right. Solution. Proof. By the density function of normal distribution, we have f of x such that mu comma sigma is equals to 1 by sigma into root 2 pi into e power minus 1 by 2 times of x minus mu divided by sigma whole square. Okay. Now, area means if we find the integration from minus infinity to minus infinity, here I want to write the interval also. Minus infinity is less than, x is less than infinity. Now, to find the area in the interval minus infinity infinity, you have to get 1. That is our target. Okay. So, area is equals to integral minus infinity to infinity 1 by sigma into root over 2 pi into e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus mu divided by sigma whole square into dx. Now you have to do this integration. Okay. Right. Put x minus mu divided by sigma is equals to z. So dx is equals to sigma into dz you will get. So lower limit, upper limits, there is no change in the lower limit and upper limit. So directly we can write minus infinity to plus infinity. Right. This is equals to integral minus infinity to infinity 1 by sigma into root 2 pi into e power minus 1 by 2 times of z square into, in place of dx I can write sigma into dz. So here sigma cancel. What is the term is left over here? The constant is 1 by root 2 pi. 1 by root 2 pi is a constant. Then integral minus infinity to infinity e power minus 1 by 2 into z square into dz. After getting this one, this is the even function. So even function means I can write according to the rule of integration 1 by root 2 pi integral 2 times of integral 0 to infinity e power minus 1 by 2 into z square into dz I can write. Okay. Now put z square by 2 is equals to t. That implies 2z divided by 2 into dz is equals to dt you will get. Okay. Then that implies dz is equals to dt. 2 cancel. This z come this side. Z means root 2t. Root over 2t. Okay. Right. So everything we got. Now I can directly write that is equals to 1 by root over 2 pi into 2. There is no change in the limits. If z is 0, t is also 0, z is infinity, t is infinity. 2 times of integral 0 to infinity e power minus t you will get. In place of dz, you have to write dt divided by root over 2t. Okay. So here root 2 is there, here root 2 is there, 2 is there, we can cancel these terms. What is the term is left over? 1 by root pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus t into, if you write t is out upward in the numerator, t to the power of minus 1 by 2 you will get. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 into dt. Okay, how it is looking like? right, that is equals to area is equals to 1 by root over pi. This is nothing but, and according to the gamma function, this is gamma of 1 by 2. Since I can write gamma of n is equals to integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus x into x to the power of n minus 1 into dx, and gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. So this is equals to, we can write into root pi. So what is happened? You are getting 1. So we proved that the area under the normal curve is unity. Right. With this I am closing this video. Thank you for watching.